2025 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome Maybach Grand Touring Edition. German engineering and luxurious comfort make the 2025 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome the ultimate overland luxury vehicle. This motorhome offers full-size amenities and exceptional comfort for long-distance travel on the brand's heavy-duty van and truck underpinnings. Chassis, powertrain, base platform, Mercedes-Benz, Actros Grand Touring Custom or Sprinter XXL Professional. Diesel engine, 3.0-liter inline, 6-turbo diesel, 325 horsepower, 700 Nm torque pairs with 9G-tronic automatic transmission. Electric model engine, dual motor configuration with 400 kilowatts, 536 horsepower, and 1,000 Newton-meters torque. Battery pack, 250 kilowatt hours, lithium-ion, range, 500 to 600 kilometers, 310 to 370 miles per charge. Fast charging, 10 to 80% in 35 minutes. Full air suspension and 4MATICAWD available on both models. Interior living room. Open concept lounge with real Napa leather and LED lighting. Features include seating for 6 to 8 with reclining captain seats and convertible sofas, real wood veneer floors and Maybach-style trim inlays. 55-inch OLED smart display with 3D sound and retractable projector. Electrochromic skylights and side windows. Marble top swivel dining table. Optional hidden champagne cabinet and digital fireplace. Bed chamber. Rear private master suite with queen or king size memory foam bed, heated, massaging mattress function, ambient, starlight, fiber optic ceiling, additional sleeping, living room, pull-out sofa bed, loft bunk, or modular higher pod for youngsters or visitors. Large wardrobe, full-length mirror, and soft close drawers. Bath and kitchen, spa-style bathroom features. Rainfall shower with teak flooring, a smart toilet with bidet, air dry, and auto-sanitize, LED mirror. Heated stone countertops. Gourmet kitchen features. Dual induction, cooktop, smart convection oven, Sure microwave combo, full-size stainless steel freezer, espresso bar and filtered water tap, expandable stone countertop with high-end faucet, onboard tech, living systems. Mercedes M-Bucks plus AI automation, powering smart hub system, manages lighting, climate, water, power, and entertainment. Voice-activated remote smartphone app control. 360-degree lidar safety system with auto braking. 4.5 kilowatt roof solar array. 100 kilowatt-hour home battery backup, plus inverter for off-grid power. Diesel-only onboard generator storage. Exterior features. Underfloor storage. Rear garage for bikes, baggage, or e-motorbikes. Retractable side awning with wind sensors. Premium package includes outdoor kitchen and shower. Driver safety assistance. Active brake assist. Blind spot monitoring. Lane keep assist. Adaptive cruise control with traffic congestion assist. Surround camera parking pilot. Biometric entry and anti-intrusion locking. Final notes. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome blends style, function, and technology. This RV is built for 5-star life on the road, whether you choose the diesel or silent electric model.